number 3. In the last lecture, we completed the story of the tsunami. Story of the tsunami. In that chapter 3, first story, that is tsunami, that we completed in our last lecture. The story about Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island. Right? In that, we see that if there is a tsunami, then there is a destruction of the people's life, destruction of their standard of living, destruction about the families, and many other things that destroyed in a tsunami. People's building, homes, then their all things, daily needs or necessities, that all are swept down in the tsunami or in the waves of the tsunami that are more at the time of tsunami. The waves of the sea are very big, very huge, right? That we learned in our last lecture. The many families are destroyed. Many families are destroyed. Many persons are lost their life. So now we are moving further to the second story of this lesson, that is Tilly Smith. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl. A British schoolgirl who was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in the Thailand. This is the girl, Tilly Smith, a girl name, who was able to save many people's life at the time of the tsunami. Tsunami struck Phuket Beach, where the tsunami here in the first story, the tsunami was happened in Andaman Nicobar Island. Here the tsunami struck in a Phuket Beach in Thailand. Though she has won a number of awards, so she saved the many lives. So she has won a number of awards. Why? They are doing the great work, or we can say that the great faith. Why? Because she saved the life of the peoples. Her parents would not allow their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Here, the girl's father and mother, or we can say that the girl's parents not allowed to give a interview and to made famous on television. Why? Or made into a heroine. Why do you think they took that decision? Why do you think they took that decision that don't give the interview on a television and don't made the girl at an heroine? Why the girl's parents have that thought in that story that we discussed? So everyone, open your book and see the page number 27. 27 page number. Now, here is a story from Thailand. This story is about the Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England was celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in a southern Thailand. In the first story, the family had celebrating their Christmas on the Andaman and Nicobar Island. But here in this story, the family from the southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort at a Christmas at a beach resort in a south in Thailand. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7-year-old. Her sister was 7-year-old, and their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. Here, the whole introduction about their family that is given. The girl name is Tilly Smith. So here the story about the Tilly Smith, that is 10-year-old girl, and the parents name that is Penny and Colin Smith, and one younger sister that is the 7 years old. And the story from the Thailand. The story from the Thailand. Now, it was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. In which date? 26th December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered. Triggered means caused. Triggered means caused. It was 26th December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered. Triggered means caused or describe a sudden violent reaction here. And under sea, earthquake caused the tsunami. Under the sea, the earthquake caused the tsunami. The earthquake was happened under the sea, and the waves of the sea that are the huge or big, that is called the tsunami. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered. They had been caused by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning on 26 December 2004. Early in the morning, the tsunami was happened. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered the beach water was swelling. It means water moved back. Move back. The water moved back. And they kept coming in. And slowly they coming in. No valves was there. The Penny Smith remember. The beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was now happening. The Penny Smith said that the beach was getting smaller and smaller. Now I didn't know what was happening. Turn the page. But Tilly Smith that says that something was wrong. Here the Tilly Smith had that sense that now the Tilly Smith was know that something was happened. Her mind kept going back to the geography lesson, and she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. Here the Tilly Smith, that is 10 years old girl. So now before a 2 week geography lesson, she learned about the tsunami. So here her mind kept going back to the geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before. It means she had just studied in England before the 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. Next, Tilly saw the sea slowly rising. Here what's the Tilly saw? Tilly saw the water of the sea that is slowly rise and start to foam. It means start to big waves, bubble and form whirlpools bubbles. She remembered that she had seen this in the class in a video of a tsunami. Here the Tilly Smith remembered that she learned about the geography in the chapter that is tsunami. The waves of the sea that become a calm or that become a slowly and then form a bubbles and the whirlpools. This in class in a video of a tsunami. Seen that video of the tsunami in the class that hit the Hawaiian Island in 1946. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunami can be caused by the earthquakes, volcanoes and the landslides. Also, you all are learning social science, that is tsunami, volcano and earthquake. This lection we are continue and here in English also the chapter that is tsunami. So in the both the story is different but meaning of that is the same. Clear this? So here Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to form bubble and form a whirlpool. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian Island in 1946. Which video she saw? She saw the video that is Hawaiian Island in 1946. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video. Her geography teacher shown her class the video of the tsunami and told them tsunami can caused by the why the tsunami can be caused. Tsunami can be caused due to the earthquakes, volcanoes and the landslides. Now next paragraph, that is, Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. Now, Tilly started to scream. Scream means tell to their family. Now we have to move from the beach to the other place, or we can say that to the safer place. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. Now she talked about with their family that earthquake will happen under the sea. She got more and more hysterical. When you are hysterical, it means you shout, laugh or cry in wild excitement without any control over self. Now she got more and more hysterical. It means loudly saying to your family, loudly speaking. Here I write the meaning. When you shout, laugh and cry without any control over the yourself, that is called the hysterical, right? Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. Now, the Tilly said to their father, now we have to move forward to the beach, or we are moving from the beach. Now we will not have to stay here at a minute. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical. It means more and more shouting with their family. Said her mother, Penny, I didn't know what a tsunami was. But seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. So she got more and more hysterical. It means shouting and crying, and not laughing but shouting and crying. And said her mother Penny that now we have to move from here. That the girl said to said to her mother. The mother name, that is Penny. I didn't know what a tsunami was, Penny. I didn't know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, so afraid, so I thought something serious must be going on. So her mother said that something is serious must be going on. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach. Here Tilly's parents took her sister and her, that is Tilly, and moved forward to the beach, to the swimming pool at the hotel, and they are moved from the hotel, swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with Then the number of other tourists that also left the beach with them. Then was as if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming and run. Then was as if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming. I was also frightened and running. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also moved from the beach. And that was as if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming and run. Then after the sea was moving as fast. The waves are very fast. So I was also frightened and running. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. Refuge. Refuge means shelter or protection for danger. Shelter or protection from the danger. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. Here the family demanded to the safer shelter or protection from the hotel, and the refuge in the third floor. It means shelter or protection from danger. Now the family have to protect themselves. The building withstood the surge of the 3 tsunami waves. The building can suffer the 3 tsunami waves if they had stayed on the beach. If they had stayed on the beach, then they would not alive. Withstood means endure without collapsing. Here the meaning of the withstood. Endured with collapsing. The Smith later met their tourists who had lost entire families. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson, they had been forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmate her terrifying tale. Here in the last second paragraph, the family took refuge. It means now family got the protection, and the many tourists also left with the Tilly's family. So they all are saved their lives. They all are saved themselves. So here all are going to thank to the Tilly. The Smiths later met other tourists. After the Smith means the Tilly's father, met the other tourists who had lost their families. If the tourist goes on the beach, they are lost their families. And thanks to Tilly and her geographic lessons, they had been forewarned. It means the geography teacher, they learned the chapter of the tsunami, and Tilly went back to her school, and Tilly went back to the school and tell about the story, or tell about the tsunami of their classmates. Classmates her terrifying tsunami. Here the second story of this lesson that is completed. Here the comprehension check. Question answer. You need to write page number 28. In that comprehension check. In that comprehension check, there are 4 questions, and in the page number 27, in that also the comprehension check. Where to write? You have to write these two in the fair book, and I'll give you the PDF of that. Page number 28 and page number 27 question answer. In the page number 27 there are 5 question answer, and in the page number 28 there are 4 question answer that you need to write in your fair book. Clear this? Now here we completed the story of the chapter 3, second story, that is the Tilly Smith and the story of the tsunami. In next lecture we will start the third story of this lesson. The story about the tsunami, the experience the person have, the experience of the tsunami the person have, that here given. So in the next lecture we will understand this third story of this chapter. Clear? This you have to do in a homework, and I'll give you the PDF of this question answer. Till then, bye students and take care. If you have any query regarding this, then you can ask me in a group. Clear? Bye students.